name is Caitlin Smith, Research and Development Chemist at Nilozyme Incorporated. Today I will be talking about products in our Bio-Enzymatic line. Our Nilozyme trap and drain treatment also contains 7 bacillus bacterial species, which target the fats, cellulose, and starches that commonly cause the blockages and buildup in our trap and drain and septic systems. Routine use of this product will also decrease the maintenance associated with trap and drain and septic systems. The next product is our ZymeCLING Bio-Enzymatic gel. This product provides the same power and efficiency of the bacterial species, but at a thicker viscosity. This product relies on 4 bacillus bacterial species that produce enzymes, specifically targeting the organic material in trap and drain systems, septic systems, piping, soda machines, really anywhere that needs a certain degree of vertical cling. This can also be used for cleaning urinals, toilet bowls, so this is a great all-in-one restroom care and trap and drain product.
Thanks for watching and see you again soon.